So as the leaves turn and the temperature falls, you may think the gardening's over, but don't be fooled. There's still 6 crops that you can sow in October on the vegetable garden or in the allotment. So let me show you. So first on our list are peas, and you can get an early crop of peas if you sow hardy peas like Avola or Meteor. Direct sow, or take a tray and plant them 3 millimeters. Or you can use a piece of gutter. Use a deep soil tray, and the roots love going down the edges, or use a root trainer. So this is Meteor. And these will be ready to plant out in a couple of weeks. So that's our peas. That's peas, Meteor. So next on our list, we can still do salad mix. So we can do lettuce and things like mizuna. Just use a tray. You may still get a little crop. Before it gets too cold. Otherwise the plant will go dormant and will just sit around ready for it to warm up. And there we go. That's mizuna or salad mix. Next on our list is broad beans. So sowing in October means the beans will put on some good growth before they come dormant, and then in spring they will rage ahead with a spring harvest. So broad beans can be sown directly or in a cell tray, slightly putting it on the edge just so any water will drain off, not sit on the flat side. They can be directly sown outdoors, but as our soil is still a bit wet, we're doing them here until it's time to take and transfer them down to the allotment. So this compost is just multi-purpose compost with some perlite. So next on our list is cauliflower. We can still sow some cauliflowers such as snowball or all year round. It can be sown in October to be planted out in the spring. So we're sowing these in a cell tray just to keep in the greenhouse ready for planting out. So that is cauliflower. Then we can come over to garlic, and we've got 2 garlics. We've got white casablanca and we've got pink germadore. These are grown in conditions, and you can grow supermarket garlic and we've been advised that if you grow some garlic from Aldi's or Lidl's, they're grown in the south of Europe, whereas the UK garlic is grown in Spain, so the European one will be more adapted to our weather. So this is our garlic, and I've seen people planting the whole clove, the whole bulb, but we're not doing that. We're planting just the clove. So we break it all apart, and then we end up with our cloves. We can plant these individually, so we've got quite a few cloves and one bulb, and these need a bit of cold, you need the frost to be able to split and grow into more bulbs. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 cloves from the one bulb, and they can be just planted directly into the vegetable bed, or they can just be sown into a pot with the roots down. These are going to be transplanted into the allotment, but just for example, there we go, and that's it, and that's the garlic. And we've also got our onion sets, and we've got 3 lots of onion sets. These are £4, 50 sensyu yellow. We've got onion sets snowball, £1.95, and also radar, £1.95. So these can be done in the greenhouse while you're at home. Planted root down, placed in a cell tray, and this is going to give it a head start before they go out down into the garden. Once planted in the allotment bed, if you find they've been pulled up, you'll find the birds thinking it's a worm, and they've pulled it out. You just have to place them back in again. Maybe put a net over the cover, and that will stop the birds from pecking, but otherwise they don't need netting. Look for soft ones. So this is no good, totally no good, so that's disposed of. And there we go, it's a bit soft. Bigger one doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get bigger onion. There we go. So we've done a tray of onion sets, a tray of garlic, done broad beans, salad leaves, peas, and also cauliflower. And it's also a great time to do sweet peas. You can do those in October, November, keep them in the greenhouse or in the polytunnel. And also a great time now for bare root plants such as apples, currants and gooseberries. It's all a good time. Start planning that allotment, vegetable garden, plant those bare root plants in October. Let me know in the comments, what are you growing? Are you growing any sets? Are you doing them by seed? Are you doing any garlic? Let me know. You're doing shop ones. It'd be a great experiment to do Aldi's, Lidl's versus Tesco's, Sainsbury's versus a nursery bought garlic. That'd be great. That'd be a really good idea. So there we go. This is what we can sow in October. So just to go over, cauliflower, got garlics, broad beans, We can do radish and lettuces, onion sets, salad mix like mizuna, and peas like Meteor. There we go.